Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Android TV on your PC. And we are using this official Android Studio Giraffe, which you can turn your PC into a smart TV using an emulator method provided by them. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, go to this website I provided in the description and install the software, which you need to wait and open the file. Open the file and follow my steps by pressing Next, then wait for the installation process. Now once you're down, it will prompt you a few options. Please bear in mind, follow my steps carefully. Press Next. Select two of them and accept the condition just I did. Now once you're done with installation, go to More Actions and select the SDK Manager, which is the pack provided by the developers. Select 4 of them, just like I did. Now go to the Virtual Device Manager and select your desired device, which is the TV. By selecting Create, then select TV and navigate to the x86, which you need select Tiramisu Android 13.0 operating system installation button beside it. Now click on Next after the installation, and follow my steps to set up the TV settings. Change graphics to hardware, then advanced settings. Navigate to cold boot and you can change your desired storage size and RAM, which I will be setting it to 6 GB and 8 GB. Now launch the TV and voila! And now you are required to sign in, but I'm going to skip my part as it's credentialed to show you. Then you do whatever you want afterwards. As you can see, the video is running perfectly and smoothly. You can also set this to full screen if you like to. But for now, I'm going to stop here. I want to thank you all for watching this video. Stay safe, and bye-bye.